Hello guys, and welcome to another video on Yuvan's tech tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to log in for Netflix. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So you can do this in two ways, either through Netflix application on your mobile or simply from your web's browser. If you want to log into Netflix through an app, simply go to Play Store and install Netflix by tapping on the search box and typing Netflix. You'll be able to see the Netflix app on the top of your list. Tap on it, you'll see an install button, tap on it, and then your app will be installed. However, if you want to log into your Netflix through your web browser, go ahead and open your preferred browser. Now on the search box, type netflix.com. This will redirect you to Netflix homepage, where on the top right corner you'll be able to see the option of sign in. Tap on it. Now simply enter your email and your password, and finally tap on the sign in button. After that, you'll be signed into your Netflix account, and this is how you can log into your Netflix account. It is the same if you have a mobile application. You'll be able to see the sign in button where you'll be requested to enter either your phone number or your email and then your password, which is associated to your Netflix account. I hope this video was useful, and thanks for watching.